all know about health is that sleep is so vital. So whether or not your sleep is being disturbed by someone snoring next to you, or you think you might be the snorer, it's not just the noise that's the bother. It's actually the health ramifications. And the ramifications of snoring are really quite serious. They can range from the snorty startle, which could indicate that your airway is closing down. And that in turn, if that is happening to you as well as the snoring, it means that you're at risk of high blood pressure. You're also at risk of type 2 diabetes, atrial fibrillation, which is a slight flutter that turns into a cardiac problem, as well as other things that happen. You're more prone to having, I suppose, a deeper bout of depression, and anxiety is heightened by not sleeping well. So it's really important not just to think of snoring as a terrible noise happening beside you or an embarrassing thing that you're doing and that your partner's complaining about. It's actually about the health and the problems that come with being a snorer. And if you make sure that your sleep health and your sleep hygiene and you're having a good, clear night's sleep is all on track, you're in line for a much longer and healthier life.